Hello there. This is the 3 ways to end sugar cravings. My name is Teri Katzenberger, and I am so glad that you are joining me today. I have been a health professional, a fitness, nutrition, weight management specialist since 2005. I actually began working out of my home in 2000 to help women live a healthy, well, fit, strong, whole life through nutrition and weight management. 2005 is when I went all in, purchased my first fitness and weight management center, and began serving people with their health and wellness full time. It is what I love to do, helping others to live their best life and helping others to save theirs. Now, I specialize in both men and women's health, but ladies, this is just for you. Most recently, to further my education, my knowledge in women's health and body wellness, I received a certification specialization in hormone fitness. And so I'm just thrilled to be able to take my knowledge and my education to a whole other level when I'm working with women. As we evolve each year in this thing called life, our health needs and our wellness needs need to evolve right along with us. What we're doing needs to evolve right along with us. So I have dedicated and devoted my life to helping men and women stay fit, flexible, and fabulous well into their second act. And I am so glad that you are here today. So during this webinar, this life-changing workshop, we're going to discuss how to boost your energy through cleansing your body in 3 different ways. The number 1 way is through clean, healthy eating, what I call taking care of your gut health, your internal health. The second is using Epsom salts in an invigorating bath, like an at-home spa bath. The third is through an easy, clean eating program tailor-made for your specific needs. So here we are. Cleanse your body way number 1, a clean, healthy diet. Now, some may think, yeah, I hear all about that, but I don't know, what's clean? I don't want to go clean. It's really as simple as it gets, and it's yummy. So here we go. The food you eat is what ultimately determines how energized you feel, how well you feel from the inside out, how well you go about your day, how well you operate and navigate through your day. Eating plenty of fruits and vegetables is a great way to make sure that you're getting the vitamins and minerals that your body needs to be at its all-time best. The nutrients in fresh fruits and vegetables also helps your body to cleanse itself of the toxins, of the gunk that just build up inside there, and that's what begins to drain your energy and affect your overall health. We need to get that out of there. So, food fuels your body. Here we go. Cleansing and energizing foods. This is my all-time best list. Now, this is not all of the great cleansing and energizing foods, but this is my top numbers, my top list. Coconut oil. Spices that are thermogenic, such as cayenne pepper. Thermogenic meaning fat burning. We have the ability to heat up our own furnace inside and get the body energized into that fat burning mode. Raw apple cider vinegar. I love this stuff. My favorite and the only one I do buy is Bragg's, Braggs. Vinegar-free salsa, Brussels sprouts, broccoli and cauliflower. I like to think anything green. Anything green, and cauliflower is green. Lemon and lime and grapefruit. Now, cleanse your body way number 2. Why Epsom salts? This is our Epsom salt experience at home. Epsom salts have health benefits that can enhance the detoxification capabilities within the body. They contain naturally occurring pure mineral compound of magnesium and sulfate. Adding essential oils enhances the benefits, helps your body release toxins. So Epsom salts, if you've ever wondered, what do they really do? They help your body begin that detoxification process, ridding the body of toxins, releasing those toxins. Now, they also, Epsom salts in your bath is wonderful for achy, sore muscles, tight muscles, achy joints, just that pain you may be feeling within your body, that the stiffness, the uncomfortable feeling. Epsom salts in your bath is a lifesaver. It's almost as if you're creating your own medicinal bath, spa bath at home. Adding the essential oils like patchouli, lavender, maybe lemongrass, sandalwood, just to enhance that experience. Epsom salts are just, in my bathroom, they're a must. My favorite is Dr. Teal's. That's what I buy. It's what I enjoy. There's many out there. It does not matter the brand. Now, my recipe, my wonderful recipe, energizing Epsom salt bath recipe. If you've ever wondered, I've always wanted to use Epsom salts, but I've never known how much to use. Here you go. Take a screenshot of this. Add 1 cup of Epsom salts. Sometimes I add 2. I just like to overdo it sometimes. Half a cup of baking soda, half a cup of sea salt, half a cup or 1/4 a cup of Bragg's Raw apple cider vinegar. Now, this is for that energizing detoxification bath. You don't always have to add in the vinegar. I would do this maybe once a month or every other month where you're adding in the vinegar and the Bragg's Raw apple cider vinegar. And like I said, and I have it here, it's optional. You can also, like I said before, add in a few drops of essential oils such as the lavender, patchouli, sandalwood, any favorite essential oil that you enjoy. It doesn't matter what it is. It's just for your own senses, your own self-care regimen, and really making this experience just like a spa bath at home. Soak in the tub for, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Sometimes I'm in there 45 minutes, turn on some good music. Cleanse your body way number 3, a clean eating, beat the sugar cravings program. This is my specialty. It's going to help you banish the bloat, that stuff you've got going on in your gut where you just feel so uncomfortable in the skin you're in. Losing 5 pounds without dieting or deprivation, without having to worry and be so mental over everything that you're putting in your mouth, and feeling more energetic than you ever thought possible. And just imagine those, no bloating, no depriving yourself, and actually getting results from the inside out and feeling comfortable in the skin you're in. It is possible. I trust me, it is. That's why I've devoted the last 23 plus years of my life to helping people feel well in theirs. So you have the ability to change your body today. Change your lifestyle today. Make healthy changes today. In a short time, you can support your body naturally with whole foods to detoxify and have more energy. I say whole foods. I teach people how to eat food you buy in the grocery store. I will never, nor have I ever in my 20 plus years have helped anyone diet. That's a whole other coffee talk you and I have to have. I won't do that. I had to learn how to eat. When I went on my own personal journey in the 90s to save my own life, I had to learn how to eat food and eat real food I buy in the grocery store. I will never teach someone how to diet. I'll teach you how to eat, and I will teach you and show you how to live that healthy, well, fit, strong, whole life all the days of your life. So with over X number of tailor-made recipes, you will never starve or feel deprived. In fact, you'll be surprised that you can be eating as much as you are and still have the results you have been wanting for how many years now? It is possible. We just need to eat, and we need to learn how to eat the food. I provide you with everything you need to take massive action to begin changing your daily habits today. So, are you ready? Like I said, I have been helping people live a healthy, well, fit, strong, whole life from the inside out since 2000. People are my absolute passion, all walks of life. I love loving on people. I have devoted my life to helping others live their best life. And I have devoted my life, my time, my energy to showing people how to achieve their best life through fitness, nutrition, and proper weight management. When you receive your results, it's sustainable results. Like I said, I will not teach anyone how to diet. I will teach you how to eat food that you and your family can enjoy, you and your friends can enjoy, food that you don't have to wonder what I can or cannot have because you're not dieting. So through all that, I've created a 21-day clean eating to end sugar cravings and eliminate dangerous inflammation. Now, some people may be thinking, well, I don't eat a lot of sugar. I don't have the cravings. I just call it that because a lot of people do. And I'm also talking about starchy carbs. All that starchy food, sugary food, the foods that don't serve us well, that are causing that inflammation to build up in our system, causing our body to be sick from the inside out. Achy joints, achy muscles, bloating, inflammation, acid reflux, sleepless nights, anything that makes us just kind of feel blah from the inside out, feel so uncomfortable in the skin we're in. That's what the 21-day clean eating program is all about. And I have put it at such an amazing price just for all of you watching this. Now, you can go and visit the program details at my beautiful, now ladies, this is just for you, my beautiful website that I created and tailored just for you. Now, when you go there, you're going to see why and why men might not be attracted to it. This is all about women's health. So it's my livewellnow.academy website, and it's all about women's health, all stages of menopause, gut health, hormone fitness, nutrition, weight management of our body from the inside out. And I have it all there for you. Please take time to go through it. You'll be so glad you did. I have a lot of amazing information on there. Now, when you're also there, that's where you'll find the 21-day clean eating to end sugar cravings program. However, I do have 2 free gifts on there. So when you're on the website, you're in the menu at top, click on free gifts and download those. You will be so glad you did. They're my gifts to you. One is an ebook that goes through a lot of what I just shared and more. I believe there might be some recipes in there. Then there's a workshop on there, just a video I did of me talking and going through a slideshow that I put together. And that's for you at no cost. Now, you can also go to livewellnownutrition.com. I'm trying to keep these all in my head. livewellnownutrition.com and download my free recipe book. There's over 100 recipes in there that are fabulous. We'll be providing you with all these details also. But take a screenshot of this page, and then I encourage you to join my private community on Facebook. It's the Live Well Now community. I'm so proud of it. You can go to facebook.com/groups/Live Well Now Academy. And boom, there you can be in my private group and learn from me. I have free resources in there. That's my free group where I just serve the men and women who are in there. And we're growing. So I merged a group. We're growing in this one right now. Now, you can reach out to me, call or text me, ask me questions. Oh, and before I let you go, also when you're on my livewellnow.academy website, the one just for women, click on book a call with me. I'm offering it free. It's another free gift to you. I call it a discovery call. 30 minutes to sit and visit, get to know each other. And on there, I can discover what your struggles are. What have you been overcoming? What do you want to achieve in your life with your business, your health, your wellness, your family life, your friendships, your relationships? And together we can discover a plan of actions. I can share with you maybe the direction you need to go to fulfill what it is you want to be accomplishing. So I encourage you to book that. We get to have a talk together and get to know each other more. So that's why I love doing those, just to get to know people, meet you, see how you're doing, and, just to get to know you. So I hope you have enjoyed this. I hope you got value out of it. Like I said, go to the websites, take advantage of the free resources, and I look forward to talking with you soon and serving you the best that I know how in your life so that together we can live well now. Thank you.